let's get to cooking. We cooking ribs or riblets. I have the riblets out right here. Got a good deal on them, $5. So I'm gonna season it with some onion powder, 21 seasoning, garlic powder, and a little bit of blackened seasoning. So we got the meat season. So we're gonna pop this in the air fryer. Oh, y'all can't even see me. We're gonna pop this meat in the air fryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I got my rice, gonna wash it out. I only use a cup of rice. I'm gonna wash the starches out because you know I'm trying to wash my figure. Wait, I went to the Chris Kendall Market, got me a souvenir mug. Just want to throw that out there. And another one. So, gonna let that cook. It's time to go make our sauce. So, I added some soy sauce, dark soy sauce, some Szechuan peppers, and a little bit of brown sugar to it. That's gonna be our glaze. So, I've been trying to get a little more healthier, eat more greens with my meals. So in order to do that, I'm gonna saute me up some spinach. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get the skillet hot. Oh, I kind of forgot. I was looking at the edits. Popping. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna create the glaze. So I'm adding the butter to the skillet. Now we're gonna add the glaze to it as well. I threw the ribs up in the glaze. Yes, Lord. Now it's time to go plate. So we're just gonna put our few scoops of our rice right here. So now we're gonna add a little bit of the seasoning. That's for the layer of flavors. Ribs to it. I'll just do a fuller rib. There we go. So this is the finished product. So now we're gonna try it. It's really the ribs, honestly. It's not even. It's rice and spinach, but look at this bad boy. Look at the glaze on it. I love ribs with a teriyaki glaze, or some people like teriyaki, you gotta have pineapples with a soy sauce glaze on it. All comes together. So like the sweetness from the brown sugar, the saltiness, but you get that kick from that Szechuan seasoning. Want to say thank you guys for watching the full video. Like and subscribe. Keep the vibes good and it eats even better. Peace.